How to use Chatgpt to write a book. Hello everyone, I'm Jason and I'll be showing you step by step how to use Chat OpenAI to write a quick book. All you'll need to do once you're signed in on chatopenai.com, you'll simply type in the type of book you want. For example, I wrote in write a quick read 5 pages book on AI for beginners. And you can see what ChatGPT came up with. You can see the title right here, and you can also see it outlined each page from page 1 to page 5. Remember, I said I want a quick read book with 5 pages. So now to create my book, as I already have the details right here to add to the book. And the platform that I'll be using to create the book is none other than Canva. And the reason why I recommend Canva is easy to sign up. You don't need to use a credit card or anything like that. And it is also very easy to use. Once on canva.com, after signing up, you are going to tap on Create a Design in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Create a Design, from there you are going to simply type in Book. After you have typed in Book, from here, all I want you to do, right where you see book cover, you're going to tap on that, as all we want is the specific size, and we are going to be led to this page on which you'll see a blank canvas. So this is the regular size for an ebook. So after doing this, all you'll need to do now is simply go over to the left-hand menu option. And once on the left-hand menu option, we are going to simply tap right where you see text. Then you are going to tap on Add a Heading, and you are going to drag it to the blank canvas, as you can see right here. After you have dragged the heading, you are going to go back into ChatGPT, and from here you are going to copy this, the first title for page 1. So you are going to copy that. Then you are going to paste it right here. After you have pasted it right there, you can change the font size or style if you want. So you could go to right where you see Canvas Sans on my page, and if you wanted to change the font style, you could choose a different font style, as you can see right here. And you can also change the size of the font and the color of the font if you want. Another thing that I would recommend you do is if you would like to add a background. So let's say, for example, I want to add some form of background. All I would have to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. Once in the left-hand menu option, I could tap on Elements. After tapping on Elements, let's say I want to add artificial intelligence. So I'll add something with artificial intelligence. Then all I'll have to do, you can see the different options right here. So let's say I want to add something with a robot. So right where you see photos, I'm going to tap on See All. And after tapping on See All, all you have to do is scroll down until you see a particular one that does not have the crown that says Pro. As any one of them that has the crown that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular photo or graphic. But don't worry, there are numerous photos that you can use for completely free. So let's say, for example, this particular one right here. All you'll have to do now is simply tap and drag it. So once you have dragged it over the canvas, you are going to simply tap on the 3 dots. Then you are going to tap on Set Image as Background. After you have set the image as background, you can now tap on the image. Then after you have tapped on the image, you are going to tap right where you see transparency. Then you can cut down the transparency, as you can see right here. So all you have to do is simply pull it to the left. After you have pulled it to the left, you can now change the color of the text so that it better matches up. So instead of black, I'm going to be using, let me see how white would look. You can see it right there. Then another thing that you're going to do now is go over to the left-hand menu option again. And from here, I'm going to tap Add Subheading. After tapping on Add Subheading, I'll simply pull it down a bit. Then I'm going to copy this for page 1. So I'm going to copy this section. So let me copy it real quick. Then I'm going to go back into Canva and I'm going to quickly paste it right here. After you have pasted it right there, again, you can change the font size or style if you want. Then I'm going to tap on Add Page. And another thing that a lot of persons don't know with Canva is you can name each page. So for example, you can see page 1 right here. I'm going to give page 1 the same name. So I'm going to copy right here, as it is the introduction to artificial intelligence. So I'm going to label each page. So you can see right here. So when we are creating our table of content, it will be easier. So all I'll have to do is simply paste it. You can see that I've done that right there. So now go on to page 2. And again, with page 2, all you'll have to do is tap on Add a Heading. Then you'll simply drag it in place and you'll go back into Chatgpt and you'll copy the title for page 2 right here, Understanding Artificial Intelligence. Then you're going to paste it right here. And I've already shown you how to change the font style and so on, so I won't do that anymore. Then I'm going to copy this section, the content for page 2, and I'm going to go back into Canva, then tap on Add Subheading, and I'm going to add it right here, as you can see right there. And if you wouldn't want to add a pic to the background, you can add a different color. All you'd have to do is select the canvas. Then you'll see a color box in the top left hand corner. You could tap on that, and from there you can select a particular color. So let's say, for example, I want this page to be a slight blue. You can see it right there. Then all I would have to do again is go back into Chatgpt, copy the title for page 2, then go back into Canva, and right where you see page 2, I'm going to paste it right there. After I've done that, you can see each page right here. You can see how it looks. And once you're finished adding all pages, but just for time's sake, I won't go through and add each page. All you'll have to do now is tap on Add Page. After you have tapped on Add Page, you can now create your book cover. That we have outlined each page, I'll show you how to quickly create a book cover. All you'll have to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on Design, then from there you could type in book cover. Let's say, for example, I want to use this book cover. All I would have to do is simply tap on it. After I've tapped on it, from here you could change the name. So let's say I change the name right there. Then also change the image. I could tap on the current image that is there. Then I could remove the image. So I'll tap on Detach Image from Background. Then I'll simply tap on the trash can. Once I've deleted the image, all I would have to do now is simply go back into Elements. And let's say I want to use the same pic for Chatgpt from the pic that I had used earlier. All I would have to do is simply drag and place it right here. Then after I've drag and placed it, I would right click and tap on Set Image as Background. So you can see it right there. This is now the background. And again, from here, I will be able to add the title. So let's say I want to shift it over. You can see it right there. Then tap on Done. Then I want to add the title. All I would have to do is go back into Chatgpt. Then I'll copy the title right here. And I'll go back into Canva. And I'm going to paste the title right here. Then I'll simply pull it up so you can see the title. You can see how it looks right here. And let me change the font size. So all you have to do is highlight the text to change the font size. So I want it to be a bit smaller. You can see right there how it looks now. So this is it. A beginner's guide to AI. You can see how it looks right there. Let me all right, now that's it. And you can see it right there. Once everything is to your liking, all you would have to do now is simply go up to the top right hand corner and you could tap on Share. Okay, now that you have created the book cover, the next thing I want you to do is create a table of contents, which is why I told you to label each page. So I'll be showing you how to do this on Canva. After you have labeled each page like I showed you earlier, you can see page 2 and page 1. I've labeled it with the title from Canva. All you'll do is scroll down and you're going to tap on Add Page. After you have tapped on Add Page, from here you will see table. You can type in table of content, as you can see right here. Your table of content, as you can see here, a quick example. I've included page 1 and page 2. I'll be showing you how to add a link. So let's say, for example, you want to go directly to page 2 from your table of content. I'll be showing you how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is scroll up to page 2. Then from here, all you'll need to do is simply copy the title. So you can copy the title right here. After you have copied the title, you're going to scroll down to the table of content. Then you're going to highlight the title for page 2, which is Understanding Artificial Intelligence. Then you're going to tap on the link icon and you're going to simply paste the title for page 2, as you can see right here. So let me scroll down and you can see understanding. Let me do that again. So go to page, you can see right there, that is page 2. So you can see that the link has been added. For example, again, if I wanted to add the link to page 1, all I would have to do is tap right there. Then I'll copy the title. Then I'm going to right click to copy it. Once you have copied it, you're going to scroll down. Then you're going to highlight page 1 on the table of content. Then tap on the link icon. After you have tapped on the link icon, from here you could enter the link or search, or you can simply scroll down and you can see right here page 1. Then you'll tap on done. Now that we have done that, all you'll need to do now is simply go up to the top right hand corner and tap on share. Then you'll scroll down and from here you'll tap on download and you'll now be able to download your new ebook. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.